Okay, we'll pretend we're at work and we have to make an appointment. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Again, if you need help with your name tag, just raise your hand, I can help you. So what day is it today?
Friday.
Yeah, Friday. Yeah, it's December. December 7th, right. December 7th. It is Friday, December 7th. That's right. Does anyone, do you have a birthday in December? Any December birthdays? Yeah? Carl, when is your birthday? December 3rd? Ah, so your birthday was December 3rd. Oh, okay. That's cool. So Faro's the only December birthday? No more December birthdays. All right. Okay, so let's have a look over at the calendar. And what do we see with the calendar? What do you see? What information? Yeah, the month, and what month is it?
December.
Yeah, it's still December. And what else do you see?
Week.
Yeah, the week or the days, right? So we have what day? Sunday, Monday,
Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, good. All right. So you know your days of the week. And then we have the dates, right? So these are called dates. We have days. Monday, Tuesday, and then dates. Like 5th or 10th. These are the dates. Yeah, so we're going to practice days and dates right now. Okay? So the first thing, if we look at the calendar, we notice the numbers are different, right? So there are some special numbers on the calendar, like this. So if we have a 1, it gets this ending, ST, right? So like, yeah, first, 21st, 31st, first, 21st, 31st, right, okay, and the number 2, yeah, second, so second, 22nd, right, and the last one that's special is 3,
22nd.
right, so 3rd, 23rd. Okay, so when you are saying the date, if you have number 1, it becomes ST, first, 21st, 31st. But not this one, right?
No.
Because when we say this number, we don't say 1-1, we say 11. Yeah, so it's different. Number 2 becomes ND, second, 22nd. And number 3 becomes RD, third, 23rd. Okay, the rest of the numbers are TH. So 4th, 5th, like this. Okay, so let's practice saying all of our dates. So let's start here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. All right, what's this one? What's this one? What's this one?
11.
Right, okay, so the TH sound, when you're making it, I'm going to show you a very special trick. So look at the paper and listen. First, second, third, fourth, see? First, second, third, fourth, Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. TH. Fourth. You can feel some air. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Okay? So it's a difficult sound to make, but if you do it correctly, you'll see fourth. Like that. Okay? Alright. Good. You guys, you know your numbers. Okay, so what we're going to do, study this. So when we write the date, the month, like December, can get a number, right?
Yeah.
So month number 1, what month is it? Yeah, Barbara got it. January. So next month, right? Yeah, that's the beginning of the calendar. What's number 2? Yeah, February. Number 3? Number 4? 5. 6. 7. 8. August. Yeah, 9. 10. 11. And 12. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so sometimes when we write the date, we write the month and the day. And sometimes when we write the date, we write the number and the day. Okay? Usually if you're writing on a form, like a job application, usually you write the number. Okay, so let's just go through them one more time. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so what day is it? What day is it?
December 15.
Yeah, December 15th. Yeah, 15th. All right. What day is it? Right, January 21st. January 21st. What day is it?
October 12.
Yeah, October 12th. Yeah, October 12th. And last one, what day is it? 22?
22nd.
Yeah. February 22nd. Yeah, February 22nd. If you say February 22, that's okay. That's okay. It's not a problem. All right. So we're going to look at some new words, maybe vocabulary, and we're going to put them on the calendar, okay? So this first one, do you know what it says? Yeah, so job interview. Yeah, it's a job interview. What is a job interview? For a job? What for a job? Do you know in English? Yeah. So it's you speak for a job, right? And who do you speak with? You speak with the manager. You say your name. Yeah. So a job interview. Yeah, it's when you're going to speak about a job. Yeah, maybe your phone number, email. How about this one? Do you guys know? Yeah, doctor appointment. Doctor appointment. So, why do you have a doctor appointment? When do you go to the doctor? Maybe at the hospital? Maybe it's a meeting, yeah, it could be a meeting, or a clinic. Yeah, maybe you're sick. Yeah, maybe you're sick, so you have to make a doctor appointment and talk to the doctor, right? Okay, how about this one?
Immigration.
Yeah, so the first word is immigration, and another appointment. Right, so what is an immigration appointment? Yeah, maybe documents, maybe you need to get your visa, yeah, passport,
Green
right?
card.
Green card, yeah, exactly. All right, how about this one?
Porque usa eso, era sindical.
Yeah, school conference. Okay, so we know what school means, right? Yeah, I hope so. We're at school right now. What is a conference?
Esto que está ahora.
Yeah, David's got it. It's when maybe there are people speaking, maybe there's many people speaking. Yeah, so do you know what is a school conference usually? Yeah, meeting at school. With who? Who are you meeting at school? Your friend? Yeah, the teachers. Usually a school conference is parents and teachers speaking about children. Yeah, so if you have children, you meet their teacher. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to put these on the calendar and ask you the date.
¿A quién va a apuntar?
Okay, so have a look at the calendar and listen to my question, okay? When is the doctor appointment? When is the doctor appointment? When is the doctor appointment? 19th, okay.
Wednesday.
Oh yeah, Wednesday.
December Wednesday 19th.
Alright, follow along one more time.
Monday, December 19th.
Alright, good. So, it is okay. It is Wednesday, December 19th. Okay. When is the school conference?
It is Monday, December 3rd.
All right, Faro, can you say it again? When is the school conference?
It is Monday, December 3rd.
Right, you got it. It is Monday, December 3rd. Okay, when is Christmas Day?
It is Tuesday, December 25th.
Yeah, 25th. Yeah, it is Tuesday, December 25th. Okay, when is the job interview? When is the job interview?
It is
Thursday.
December 6th.
All right.
It is Tuesday, December 6th.
Tuesday or
Thursday.
yeah, Thursday. These are tricky. This is Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, they're similar. They're similar. All right, last one. When is the first day of winter? The first day of winter.
It is December 21st.
Right, good. You got it. Okay, it is Friday, December 21st, the first day of winter. So we still have 2 more weeks until winter, but it's been cold, so we'll see what happens. All right, so part two, we're going to look at time, okay? So I think you have dates pretty good. Let's talk about time. All right, so if I show you this and ask you, what time is it?
It is 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it is 1 o'clock. And what time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
And what time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
All right. What time is it?
It is 3:30.
3:30. Okay. What time is it?
It is 3:45.
All right, some of you got it. Yeah, 3:45. Okay. So when we see the clock, okay, the small hand, this one, the small one, this is the hour, okay, and the long hand, that's our minutes.
Yes.
Right, so if this hand is here, yeah, so it's 4:05. 05. Okay, if it's here,
4:10.
right, 4:10. 4:10. Here, yeah, 4:15. Here, right, 4:20. Here,
4:25.
right, 4:25. And here,
4:30.
right. So on the clock, the big hand here is 5 and 10, 15,
20, 25, 40, 45, 50, 55.
the clock, yeah, the clock, yeah, got it. All right, good. So if do this, what time is it?
49. 7:49. No, 6:49. 6:45.
All right, sorry. 7 or 6?
6. Yes, 6.
Yeah, 6:55, right? Because watch this hand, watch this one. So 6 o'clock, right? But now I'm going to 7 and it's not 7 yet. It's still 6, right? 6:55. Yeah, now what time is it?
7 o'clock.
Okay. Now what time is it?
7:20.
Yeah, 7:20. And how about time's going really fast? What time is it?
9:15.
Yeah, 9:15. Okay, and 9:30. All right, good. So hang the clock back up. All right. So I'm going to give you this paper, okay, and I want you to ask your classmates some questions. So the questions are about days and time, okay? First, we'll read this together, so I'll give you this and I will show you what to do, okay? We'll do it together, and then you'll work with your classmates, okay? All right. Okay. So, let's look together. Do not write. Don't write. First, let's look, and then we will write. Okay? So, how many questions do you see?
5.
Yeah, there's 5 questions, right?
4, 5.
So, what's the first question?
When is your birthday?
Right. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? So, Faro, when is your birthday?
My birthday is December 3rd.
Yeah, December 3rd. Good. So, the answer to that question is a date or time? Date. Right. Yeah. Okay. How about the second question?
When was your first day of class at Goodwill?
Yeah, so when was your first day of class here at Goodwill? So again, this is a date or a time? Yeah, it's a date. A date.
The date, no remember.
Okay? How about the third question? What is this? What question is
What
it?
time did you wake
Yeah.
up
Do
this
you
morning?
head
Right. What time did you wake up this morning? What does it mean?
Sleep, wake up.
Yeah, so I'm sleeping
It's time.
and I wake up.
It's time.
Yeah, so what time? Is this a date or a time?
Time.
Yeah, it's a time, exactly. How about the fourth question?
What time do you
What
get
time you
home?
get home from school?
Right, what time do you get home from school?
3 o'clock.
Time.
What does it mean? What does it mean? What time do you get home?
Time. Hour.
Yeah, it's a time question.
Time.
Yeah, it means what time do you arrive at your home, right? What time? And the last question?
What time do you go to bed at night?
go to bed?
Right, what time do you go to bed at night? What does it mean, go to bed? What does it mean, go to bed? Yeah, go to sleep, right. Okay, so question 1 and question 2 are date. Question 3, question 4, and question 5, the answer is time, right? So, let's do this one together. Okay, so first, you'll put your name here, okay?
My name?
Yeah, so you'll put your name here. So this is your name. Okay, so David writes David here, Faro writes Faro here, Derek writes Derek, like this.
Name plasma.
We'll get to that part, yeah. Okay, and then you answer the question, right? So Faro, when is your birthday?
My birthday is December 3rd.
Right, so Faro would write December 3rd. When is my birthday? You don't know?
Understand.
You don't know? When is my birthday?
December 15th.
Right, December 15th, next week. So I hope you guys throw me a big surprise party here. Yeah. Okay? Remember, thank you. Remember, you write your birthday, not my birthday. You write your birthday here. Okay? Thank you. Thanks. Okay, and then the next question. When was your first class at Goodwill? So my first class at Goodwill was let's see, it was, let's say, okay, when was my first class at Goodwill? When was my first class at Goodwill?
September 9.
Yeah, September 9th. September 9th. So that was my first day here, my first day, right? My first day. I started class on September 9th. Right. Okay, and then, next one. What time did I wake up this morning?
December 3rd.
So I woke up at
December 3rd.
what time did I wake up?
7:30.
7:30, right. 7:30.
A las 5.
Yeah, 7:30. Okay. The fourth question, what time do you get home from school? So what time do you go home, right? So you're at school, you leave, and now you're home. What time is it? Okay, think like that. So me, I get home from school most days. So what time do I get home from school? 9:45, yeah. I get to my home 9:45. Right. Okay, and the last question, what time do I go to bed? What time do I go to bed? 11:30. Right, so before you start, before you begin, let's look at this.
Yo es que me acuerdo de cuando yo entré, no me acuerdo de
So AM and PM, right? AM, what does it mean? What does AM mean? If I say,
Morning.
right, right, so if I say 9:30 AM is what time? What time of day?
Morning.
Morning. 9:30 PM? PM? Afternoon?
Night.
Yeah, night. AM is morning, PM is the nighttime. Right, so I know a lot of you started already, that's fine. What you're going to do next, you're going to talk to 5 classmates, but, everyone listen. Listen. So, am I going